Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to use gift card in order to buy product on your Shein application? Well, if you are, then you have found the right video. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to use your gift card on Shein app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. Using your gift card in order to get a product from your Shein app is not that difficult. So the first thing we're going to do is open our Shein application. Once you have opened your Shein application, here you'll be on the home page. Here from the home page, you can select the product that you want to buy. And once you have chosen the product that you want to buy, here you'll have to tap on Add to Cart option. Once you have tapped on Add to Cart option, from here you can choose the color and the size of the product that you want. Once you're done with everything, tap on Add to Cart once again. And after that, here you'll have to tap on the cart icon that is located on the top right hand side corner, right between the search bar and the three dots. From here, you'll have to choose the product that you want to buy and tap on checkout. Once you're done with that, you'll be on the page where you'll have to fill out the information such as shipping method, payment method, and so on. On the payment method, you can get about 4 options, and on the below you can see 2 options, that is pay using your coupon or from your gift card. Tap on the gift card option. And after that, here you'll have to type in the card number of your gift card and the PIN number of your gift card. Once you're done with typing the card number and the PIN number, tap on apply. And then here you'll have to simply go with the process of checking out the product. And just like that, you will be able to successfully use your gift card on your Shein application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.